Hello and welcome back to Mparadisso Media Tech. Today we're talking about an issue that many ChatGPT users face on their phones. The error that says, PlayIntegrity Verification Failed. Don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you the cause of this error, how to fix it, and also what you should avoid so that it doesn't happen again. Cause of the problem. This error usually happens because of these reasons. 1. An outdated app version that isn't compatible with the Google Play Integrity system. 2. Corrupted or old cache and data interfering with verification. 3. A rooted phone or modified OS, which Google fails to verify. 4. An unstable internet connection when the app is trying to verify your account. Steps to fix it. 1. Hold app. Long press the ChatGPT app on your phone. 2. Go to information icon. Tap app info. 3. Find storage, then open the storage section. 4. Clear cache. Tap clear cache. 5. Clear data. Tap clear data to remove corrupted files. 6. Update. App. Go to the Play Store, search for ChatGPT, and update to the 2025 version. 7. Open ChatGPT app, open the app again, then log into your account. It will now open smoothly, and the error will be completely gone. What not to do? Now, to make sure you don't face this problem again, don't use old versions, APK files from random sites. Most of them don't pass the Play Integrity check. Don't root your phone if you want ChatGPT to run normally. Don't leave your app without updates for too long, since updates usually include important security fixes. And that's it. The problem is completely solved. By following these steps, you won't see Play Integrity Verification Failed on your ChatGPT app anymore. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends so they can get the solution too. I'm Baba from Mparadisso Media Tech. Until the next video, stay safe and enjoy your ChatGPT without stress.